Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Prabowo. Today, I would like to talk about Mr. Prabowo Subianto, a very fascinating political figure. Mr. Prabowo is a former member of the Indonesian National Army Forces or TNI who has a vision and mission to build Indonesia into a more just and prosperous nation. I would like to say that Mr. Prabowo is highly experienced figure with a strong reputation. He once served as a commander in the Indonesian National Army and has extensive experience in leading large and complex teams. Mr. Prabowo is also known as a brave leader who is not afraid to make difficult decisions. He has a clear vision of developing Indonesia and is unafraid to face the challenges that come his way. I want to express that Mr. Prabowo is a truly inspiring figure. He is green and wisdom and never give up in the face of difficulties. He has strive to improve himself and build self-confidence. I would like to thank Prabowo Subianto for his dedication to build Indonesia high up that he will continue to contribute to the development of our nation and help make Indonesia a better country. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Carlina Widailani from Management. I want to explain the simple present tense. Explanation is simple present. Simple present is a tense in English that is used to express the general trends, habits, or action that occur repeatedly. The simple present tense in English is used to express habits, general truths, permanent situation, and fictions. It can also be used to give instruction or explanation of the simple present function. Simple present habit or routine explain a repetitive or habitual action. Example 1. She read a book every night before bed. 2. I brush my teeth twice a day. 2. False or general true. She's hanging facts that are always true or assuming true. Example 1. The sun rose in the east. 2. Weather both at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a schedule stating a definite schedule for the present or future. Example 1. The bus arrives and exactly 10 o'clock. 2. Your exam start at 9 o'clock. Fancy simple present. Emotion or feeling. Expressing emotion, feeling, or stative verb that do not describe physical action. Example 1. I hate you. 2. He knows the answer. 5. Instruction or direction. Used to give instruction or direction. Example: you walk 200 meters, that you turn left. Simple present tense user. 1. A reassuring event that is taking place at the moment. I go to campus by motorcycle every day. The train to Bekasi leaves every hour. Didn't sleep 7 hours every night during the week. 2. To show a fake or even in general. The President of Indonesia is Joko Widodo. A snake has no legs. Indonesia has 34 provinces from Sabang to Merauke. 5 tips simple present. 1. Tense can be affirmative or positive or negative. This characteristic refer to the context of yes and no in tense. In this article, I'll give you two affirmative and one negative tense. 2. Subject. Personal pronouns such as or I, you, they, we say. She is a woman, he is a man. It not human object or living creatures. 3. Verb 1 or verb. The first or basic form of a verb referring to the activity or situation you're describing in a sentence. Verb can be regular verb like play, run, and jump, or they can be do and have, which I'll explain below. 4. To be. A conjunction particle used to describe the condition or situation of the subject. Formula 1. To form the tenses, the best form of the verb or form 1 is asli set, except for third person pronouns which is from s or s. Example: subject I, you, they, we. Verb go. The rest of the tense to the school by bus. Subject she, he, it. Goes. The rest of the tense to the school by bus. Simple present tense negative. To form simple present tenses in the negative, you usually use the addition dot and dots before the verb. Subject dot or dots verb 1 plus object. For third person subject, she, he, it after the word dot or dots, the verb form is not added s or s. Subject do is used when the subject is I, you, they, or we. However, doing is used when the subject is third person, she, he, it. Simple present tense interrogative. To form interrogative sentence or question, you usually use the additional do or does in front of the tense. Do or does subject for verb for one object. For third person subject, she, he, it after dot or does, the verb or form is not added as subject or as. Do is used if the subject is I, you, they, or we. However, does is used if the subject is third person, she, he, it. Rules for verb. For the third person is singular, he, his, in with the suffix s or es. Verb that end in s, sh, ch, xz, or get that ending s. Example: 1. Gues become gueses. 2. Was become wases. 3. Once become onces. 4. Go become goes. Simple present tense without verb. Formula: Subject to be is are object. Subject to be is are not object. To be is are subject object. To be I am you they we are he she it is. Example: plus I am student minus I am not a student. I am an student. The present simple tense. Form: subject verb object. Usai inform. Things, habitual action, things that don't or bad things. Describes being yourself. Dialogue. I start work and 5 part 1. Dialogue transcription. Daniel: so do you usually come to the gym in the morning? Helen: yeah, I do. Daniel: really? What time do you go to work? Helen: I work in the afternoon. I start work at 5. Dialogue. I start work at 5 part 2. Daniel: wow, that's late. But do you get home at 9? Helen: I actually get home at midnight. Daniel: midnight? That is late. What do you actually? Helen: I am a TV announcer. I do the weather report on KNTV. Don't you recognize me? Learning objective. Understand and use the present simple present. Descripsi habitual action and daily routines. Practice dialogue about the ill of activity. Also the use of WH question what, where, why, who, how. Summary or of rules. Positive by verb. He, she, it. Verb, subject or is. Negative do or does no base verb. 3. Question do or does subject base verb. 4. K uses habit by secular. What, her, question, what, where, how, why, who follow a slightly longer structure. What, her, word, do or does subject base verb. Example: what do you go to school? What do you see eat for breakfast? When do they start the meeting? From were her question. Time expression of the parenthesis. The parenthesis actually go at the beginning or end of the sentence. 1. Every day, or week, or month, or year. I read the newspaper every day. 2. Once a week or twice a month. She goes swimming twice a week. 3. One Monday or 2 days each. We have a team meeting or on Friday. 4. In the morning or afternoon or evening. I take a walk in the evening. Thank you.